Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 22nd of January 2024. We're going to talk about Avalanche today. And if today is the time to panic in the cryptocurrency, you guys can see from the market right now that the currency is in a downward trend. We need to talk about it. And the next thing we need to talk about is the reason why we haven't seen price in Avalanche hold our buy zones. You know, on our last video for Avalanche on January the 2nd, we identified these areas that we wanted to see the buyers hold price, and they really didn't hold that first buy zone right here as I zoom in on the chart, but they definitely tried to hold the buy zone here around 34 bucks. They did it for a couple of days, but now you guys can see that we're trading well below that buy zone. So maybe it's the opportunity for us to actually see the price in Avalanche begin to go lower. Our last price prediction did not play out correct, and it will happen, especially as we did not see the buyers hold this zone on January the 3rd. Time for us to get rid of it. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here. If it were to get out right now, we would be down 29.5%. And let's go ahead and take these buy zones away because apparently the buyers did not buy at those zones. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show you just visually how price is trending down. You know, it's not hard. It's not rocket science. It's real simple. It is losing the interest. It is losing demand of people wanting to buy Avalanche at these higher prices. So where would be the next level that we can potentially see buyers hit this cryptocurrency? Let's go ahead and talk about it. So let's go ahead and identify this area right here as a sell zone now. Okay, this is a sell zone, meaning that selling pressure increases once price came to that area. You guys can see it right here on this particular day that Avalanche came to the sell zone on January the 11th, and the seller increased. Price has been going down since then. So that is a valid sell zone there. Now, let's try to figure out where's the buy zone. This is still a buy zone right here. Okay, that's a buy zone. They're still there. The buyers are still holding the market around $31.25 over the last 4 days. So it's still a small, slight chance that we can see the price in Avalanche stay there. But considering the different time frames, like on the 2-day chart, you guys can see that we're not really getting a lot of strength here. Look at Avalanche on the 3-day time frame. Again, you're not seeing a lot of indication that the market's becoming more bullish. We're definitely still seeing the indications of weakness off the charts on the 2 and on the 3-day time frame. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Okay, we're definitely seeing an entrenched downtrend weakness appearing on the market for Avalanche, and I really don't like the weekly time frame. You guys can see these weekly bars here. An up fake was triggered there. Another up fake was triggered on this weekly bar. And the market currently is still trending down. So we need to figure out where could be a buy zone in this massive push to go up bar on the week of December the 4th, 2023. We need to figure out where are those buyers in that bar. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So we'll look at this on the 1-hour chart in the market for Avalanche. Trying to determine, okay, where could potentially the buyers be? Like I told you, this is where the initial stage of buyers is occurring into the market in Avalanche. Okay, so that's one area that we could potentially see price continue to hold. Here's another area. For Avalanche. Okay, so let's see what we got on the daily time frame with those buy zones. So yeah, look like the next area would be around what, 25 bucks for us to see price move in Avalanche. I think that's logical considering that we're in a definite downtrend into the market in Avalanche. We're not seeing any increased higher prices, anything of that sort right now. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the chart and be finished. Looking for Avalanche to continue to drift, to go lower. And these will be our targets. Let's get rid of this buy zone. We don't need that. These two are our targets. First buy zone is real close, 26 bucks, 18.2%. Second target is nearly next to it, $25, 20.46. And if that weakness continues, let me bring this over so you guys can actually tell that this trend can actually begin to become more apparent, then we can see the market and Avalanche come through and bounce off of this trend line. Now, I know you guys it doesn't seem feasible that the price could come through and actually fall down to $25. But what if we say that this would be our next target? Yeah, that would be our third target in the market in Avalanche. That's like 37% move down. Okay. Is it possible? Yes. Definitely considering the weekly time frame, how the market is definitely showing us weakness on the 5 weeks, even here on the last 3 weekly price bar. Look at that weakness there. Okay. So let me go ahead and put that there. We're going to add that third target, albeit I'm not going to say that it's going to go down there immediately. It may take the market in Avalanche a while before it actually tries to move down to, what is that, $19, $20? Okay, so let me go ahead and save that. And we'll come back maybe like in the beginning of February or so to see how the market has trended. Unless something drastic happens into the market, then we'll come back and actually drop another price prediction in Avalanche. But yeah, this is what I have so far. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Where do you think the price in Avalanche is going to go? Are we in panic mode? Should we try to reevaluate the situation and move on to a different altcoin that's actually moving higher? What should we do? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.